We're at the 2800 Taylor in Dallas, Texas. The 2800 Taylor in Dallas, Texas. I just got off the elevator over there, and you can also just go up the stairs to enter this. But a lot of the amenities are on the second floor. So I just wanted to show you this area and the amenities area. First of all, before we go to the right, there is a conference room and that you can use over here. It looks like there's one. And then there might be a second one over here too. So it looks like, yeah, two conference rooms. Very nice feature to use, so that's really cool. But then the real star of this second floor is two things. One of them is the co-working section that's here, and then the fitness center. We're going to see that too in a separate video. But this is the co-working area. This is very classy. One of the better co-working areas that I've seen really in all of Texas. I go all through Dallas, Houston, and Austin, and this is one of the best ones I've seen. I have to admit. You've got plugs. You've got places that are open here. All of these tables have plugs too. And so you can plug in, you can see the plugs on the wall. So you can literally do just about anything here. There's booths here too. And then you can see there's kind of workspaces here too. And then you can see things here as well. So really cool spaces to co-work and get stuff done. So really cool area. I do see some coffee, so you can grab some coffee and some coffee sweeteners over here. So this is a very fun area. Love the co-working here at the 2800. Hey, if you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, that's my number below. Text me. I'll get you immediate information about the 2800 Taylor in Dallas, Texas. Hey, the fitness center is over there. Let's take a look at it right now.